Hey everyone, Awesome Disney Toys here, and today we're bringing you Kinetic Sand Dino Dig Fossils Dino. With this set, we could be our own archaeologists and find really cool dinosaur fossils right from our home. The back of the box shows everything that comes with this playset. Let's open it up. We get two kinetic sands, blue and orange. Here are the instructions. We get a pterodactyl and T-Rex fossil. We can make a T-Rex mold. And a pterodactyl mold. We'll need this digger to find the fossils. And here's our very own excavation site. This is where we'll be doing all our digging. Hopefully we can find some good fossils today. If you guys have watched the Kinetic Sand video before, I'm sure you're familiar with this already. I love how the sand's not messy, and it's always cool to see the sand move on its own. I'll start by making a pterodactyl. Doesn't this pterodactyl also remind you of an evil witch from a movie? And now it's time to make the T-Rex, one of the scariest dinosaurs to ever live. Now let's play with this blue sand. I'll put the fossil bones in here. It's time to dig! We did it! We found the bones of a pterodactyl. We're gonna be famous archaeologists. Jackpot! We even found a T-Rex. It looks like our names are gonna go in the history books. Let's have some more fun with this set. Ooh, it looks like this T-Rex was frozen over time. Let's dig at it to find the bones. Awesome! The bones didn't break. Now let's play with the pterodactyl. I always thought archaeology was really cool. Give this video a thumbs up if you think the same. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.